My video guide will provide you with detailed instructions that will help you to remove fake browser update alerts that are related to the website Launchcompletelyswiftthefile.vip. It's a website displaying faulty messages that try to encourage people into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. In particular, these pop-ups, these fake browser update alerts, promote a special extension for the Google Chrome browser. In case this extension gets installed, a lot of changes are introduced into the way the browser operates. The extension that is installed as a result of such fake Chrome update alerts may change the default homepage, default search engine, and the new tab URL, and when you submit some search queries, you might notice that the results are now delivered by some unfamiliar search engine. So if you see that your settings got changed, you should remove the related browser extensions from Google Chrome. Now, how to check the list of browser extensions to remove any third-party extensions? Access the menu, go to More Tools, then choose Extensions. So disable and delete any third-party extensions if you find them in your computer here. Deactivate the extension and then remove the extension completely. So this was the manual solution to fix your browser, and once again, please do not trust these fake browser update alerts by the site Launchcompletelyswiftthefile.vip. The reason why these pop-ups came up on your screen is because the system could be burdened by some adware type threat. We recommend you to check your computer with a Combo Cleaner antivirus, and you may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Use this green button to download Combo Cleaner. Install the program and begin researching your device with its help to detect and delete all other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.